Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got a fun little luxury unboxing for you guys. But before I get into all of that, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into a little luxury haul. Starting us off, we've got a little item from David Yurman, and I love the sterling silver jewelry at David Yurman. I think it is so cute, and I just love all of their pieces. So we got a booklet. I think this just like has the receipt, and ooh, we got a little cleaning cloth. I know sterling silver tends to tarnish really easily, so we're going to use the cleaning cloth situation. So very helpful little item in here, along with the receipt. And now for the unboxing. Ta-da! We've got a little box. She's so cute. Let's go ahead and open her up. So very nice. You can see, ta-da! We've got the little David Yurman pouch. And I really like these suede pouches. I feel like they keep your jewelry really nice and your sterling silver very clean. So, oh, and this one it has like a little magnetic closure. That's really nice quality, very fancy. So let me show you what we got. So it is this gorgeous little chain, and I feel like this is such a classic David Yurman style. It has kind of the two kind of chain details, where a more smooth and then a more textured chain. And I do have this bracelet from David Yurman that I feel like it's gonna look really cute next to this stack we got going on. Let's try it on. Also, the clasp is so fun. I didn't even notice that little detail right there. It's kind of like a little star. Very cool. I feel like I might need two hands to do this. Am I gonna get it? Okay, putting on this bracelet with one hand on your own should be an Olympic sport, because it's so hard to put on these little like chain bracelets by yourself. But anyways, it is super cute. Here it is with the stack I've got going on. I think it looks so cute with these pieces. I love the little bit of texture that it adds to my stack, and yeah, I think this is just so cute. As you know, I'm a huge fan of mixed metals, so I'm always mixing like the silver with the gold. I know I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. So yeah, I'm very excited. Little David Yurman unboxing. The next little item that I have to unbox is from Calvin Klein, and these are probably the cutest pair of jeans I've ever seen. So spoiler, it is a pair of jeans from Calvin Klein. These are seriously so stinking cute. And here they are. So they don't look like much from just the front, but the back of these are so fun. So they have these fun little like CK branded pockets, and they're absolutely so cute. They are so fun. Yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. I think these are so cool. How fun is that? I don't think it's too in your face, but it's still just this little fun little element to your jeans. So these are, yeah, super fun from Calvin Klein, and I was surprised that this worked out for me. This was like the only pair left in the size, and it just happened to fit and be really cute. So I was not planning to get these, but it just felt like they were made for me. These are so fun, and I was absolutely obsessed with this pocket detail. So cool. And yeah, they're just overall like a super nice pair of jeans. They don't really have much distressing on them. They're kind of a straight leg, a little bit baggy, but nothing crazy. I could definitely wear them to work, wear them regularly. They're a nice wash for like summertime too. They're not too dark. So yeah, they're also really soft, really good quality. Yeah, so super excited about these and wearing them, and I cannot wait to style them. I mean, like, they're just a cute pair of blue jeans. They're gonna go with everything. They're so classic, but so fun at the same time. But yeah, so super excited about these guys. This next item is a little bit different, but definitely still a luxury upgrade. So I actually haven't received it yet, but it is something that I have customized and designed specifically for myself. And I am so excited to share with you guys and talk a little bit about it before I actually physically have it in front of me, because this was such a cool process. Me and my husband are going to be celebrating our 5-year wedding anniversary, which is so crazy this fall, and we have been talking about for 5 years, thinking about maybe doing a little bit of a ring upgrade just to kind of commemorate this milestone in our marriage. Not that I don't like my current ring, because obviously I'm obsessed with my original wedding ring, engagement ring. It is absolutely beautiful. My husband did such a good job on picking it out and designing it, but I thought it would be fun for 5 years to kind of be more involved in the process, because I feel like it's such a fun process. Hearing my husband talk about how he designed my original wedding ring, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm glad it was a surprise, because I love a good surprise, but it just seemed like such a cool and fun experience to go through together. So for 5 years, we had talked about getting an upgrade and kind of customizing it and designing it together. So I have worked with Angara in the past, and I have a couple really stunning pieces from them, like necklace I'm wearing right now, one of the rings, and I just love their quality. I think it is so good, and they do have a really good price points as well. In my opinion, I think it's a really great price for the products that you're getting. And so when I saw that they had their own customizable wedding ring experience, I was immediately drawn to that and thought this was a perfect way to kind of go through that customizing ring process without all of the hassles of having a million appointments at a jeweler or like all of these details. They made it so easy and so streamlined, where you simply just pick your diamond, pick your setting, and you're kind of good to go. After that, it makes it so easy and so streamlined. And I wanted to walk you guys through some of the customization process and kind of my thoughts and feelings on how I wanted to customize this new ring for our 5-year anniversary. And I did start with a solitaire setting. So they do have a lot of different beautiful setting options. I'm just a very simple kind of girl. I don't like anything too extravagant or too loud. I definitely like more simple classic setting styles, although Angara had so many different options, which at first I thought was overwhelming, but honestly I thought was really helpful, and I realized I'd narrowed down my thoughts and kind of what I preferred in a ring setting. So I did decide to go with a solitaire setting, and like I said, I really do love my original ring design, so I didn't want to stray too far from that, but I just kind of want to add some fun new elements just to kind of switch it up for 5 years. But I did again want to kind of keep some of those classic elements of my original design as well, because that's just who I am, and that's what we're going with here. So I did end up with this beautiful solitaire setting that does have some extra diamonds around the band, and that is a difference from my original setting. In my original setting, I do have a white gold band with a hidden halo versus now having on this ring some of the diamonds on the band itself. So I thought that was a fun little switch up from the original design, but also still kind of staying true to myself and what I prefer and what I like in my wedding jewelry. I really like too, as I was playing around with different settings, I could easily see the shift in price point, because I feel like that's also a really helpful point when you're designing a ring. I feel like a lot of times there's so many different options and you don't know what it's gonna end up being altogether cost-wise at the end of the day. So being able to like flip and see the price point differences, or seeing that if I changed a certain element and it didn't change the price, that also kind of helped me with making my decision as well, just understanding all of that and getting all the information right up front in your face. So that was super helpful. But yeah, so really loved this final setting that I settled on. And then when it came to diamonds, I was definitely open to some lab grown options. I feel like you kind of get the best bang for your buck with most lab grown diamonds, and lab grown diamonds are physically, chemically, optically exactly the same as natural diamonds, and like I was saying, you get a little bit more for your price point. So I was definitely open to lab grown this time around. My original ring is a natural diamond, so again, a little bit of a switch up. We're changing it up, and I did land on this beautiful round cut diamond, and this diamond is also IGI certified. Again, like I was saying, I am definitely into more of classic design, so I felt like a round diamond is so classic, like the most classic you can get. So I thought that was fun to kind of incorporate into this upgraded ring to have some of those more classic elements along with it. But yeah, this ring is absolutely gorgeous. It is 2.77 carat weight, and I cannot wait to see it in person. Honestly, I'm so excited to see this setting. So yeah, the ring is currently on the way, and I'm so excited to share with you guys all the details. Once I get it, I will be doing a full dedicated unboxing, giving you the close-ups, the nitty-gritty, my first impression, all of that. So definitely watch out for that video. It will be coming soon. But yeah, so excited to share part of this journey with you guys, and yeah, very excited. 5 years of marriage and a little new ring to commemorate this milestone. And that being said, I do have one last item to unbox for you guys in this little luxury haul. And I will caveat, I have actually already worn this. But I realized I never did an unboxing proper video for you all, so I wanted to add it to the end of this video. And this is a pair of shoes from Gucci. I did do a quick little YouTube shorts of my shopping experience. I went to the Cabazon outlets out by Palm Springs, and they have amazing luxury outlets. Like, if you have not been, do not sleep on these outlets. They are so amazing. Like I said, I did a quick little short of my shopping experience most recently, but I go every year for Black Friday. So if you see my Black Friday hauls, my Black Friday vlogs, this is where we're shopping at the outlets. And yeah, so I got this gorgeous pair of Gucci shoes for my birthday, and I actually wore them to my birthday party this year. I turned 30, which is crazy. But yeah, so let me show you guys what they are, and these are so stunning. Like, I saw these in the store and I was absolutely sold. They are so beautiful and so cute and the perfect fun little summertime shoe. So here they are. I'm so obsessed. These are so cute. So fun. So these are these cute little heels from Gucci. Give you guys a little close up of the heels. They are so cute. They have the little Gucci classic design here, the little Gucci in the fabric, and yeah, these are absolutely so cute. I love the little heel on them. They're not too tall and they were actually pretty comfortable. Like I said, I did wear these already for my birthday, and I wasn't standing around too much. Like, I was sitting for a lot of it too, but they were still really comfortable, no complaints. So I feel like that's a good sign. But yeah, these are so cute. This fun little like sandal heel style, and I just know I'm gonna get so much use out of them this summer. They're like so perfect for summer. They look cute with dresses, you can wear them with jeans. I'm so obsessed. So super excited. And also the price on these was insane for Gucci shoes. So I did get these under $500, which the grand scheme of things might seem a lot for shoes, but for Gucci shoes, steal of a deal. Like, such a good deal. So like I was saying, the outlets have crazy good deals. Little plug for the Cabazon outlets because they're amazing. But anyways, that is my last little item to unbox in this quick little luxury haul. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. As always, be sure to leave a comment down below what you like the most. Also, if you're excited about my little engagement ring upgrade journey, let me know in the comments as well. And if you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.